Welcome. I'm so glad you're here and open to exploring this journey together. What you're seeking, the answers, the peace, maybe even a deeper sense of belonging can feel elusive at times, especially in moments when life leaves us feeling vulnerable or unsure. But know that this exploration is a meaningful step in itself. There's strength and courage in showing up, in being willing to ask these big questions. Let's dive into them gently, without needing everything to be figured out today. Today, we'll focus on the themes of humility, openness, and growth, creating space within ourselves to let go, to receive, and to transform. Take a deep breath, settle into this moment, and let's begin. Let's start by anchoring ourselves in the breath. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose. Let your belly rise. And now exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calm, steadiness, and peace. With each exhale, let go of any tightness, any heavy thoughts, any pressure to have it all figured out. Now, shift your focus to your body. Notice where you're holding tension. Maybe your shoulders, your jaw, or your chest. With every exhale, allow those areas to soften, to relax. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Know that in this moment, you are safe, you are held, and you are exactly where you need to be. In your mind's eye, imagine a peaceful garden. The air is fresh, the sunlight warm on your skin, and the sound of birdsong fills the space around you. As you walk along a soft path, you notice a small bench under a tree. You sit down and feel a sense of stillness washing over you. In your hands, you hold a small seed. This seed represents humility, the willingness to let go of control, to trust, and to open yourself to growth. You gently press it into the soil beside you, covering it with care. Humility isn't about diminishing yourself. It's about creating space for grace, for change, for something new to grow. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, where in my life am I holding on too tightly? What would it feel like to release that grip even just a little? Let these questions sit gently in your heart. There's no need to force an answer. Just allow space for whatever arises. As you exhale, imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, steady and strong. You are grounded, you are supported, and you are enough. Take a moment to reflect. What's one small thing I can let go of today? How can I approach this moment, this day, with a little more openness? Let these reflections settle naturally without judgment or urgency. Know that even asking these questions is an act of growth. As we close, place one hand over your heart and one on your belly. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Repeat silently or aloud. I am enough, exactly as I am. I release the need for control and trust in the process. I am worthy of love, belonging, and peace. Let these words anchor in your heart, a quiet light to carry with you into your day. Thank you for sharing this time with me today. In a world full of noise and movement, taking these moments to pause is an act of self-care and courage. As you return to your day, may you carry this sense of calm, humility, and openness with you. Remember, this space is always here, one breath, one pause away. If this meditation brought you peace, I'd love for you to join me again next time. Until then, take care and be gentle with yourself.